Used Registry Reviver to clean your Windows registry and want to access backup files? These contain registry snapshots for safe restoration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these Registry Reviver backup files. Quick sidebar, for future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering RRR files with corrupted internal metadata. A user with an RRR file has likely used the Registry Reviver utility to create a backup of their Windows registry before making changes. Their intent is to restore the registry to a previous state to fix issues that may have arisen after cleaning or modification, ensuring system stability. The RRR file is a proprietary binary archive. It contains a snapshot of specific Windows registry hives and keys that were modified or deleted. This format is designed for integrity and precise restoration, ensuring that the complex data of the registry can be safely backed up and reinstated by the application. Registry Reviver from ReviverSoft is the core program designed for the RRR structure. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows exposes only file properties, so navigating backup content requires supported tools. Let's find the winning application. Right-click your RRR file and select Open With. If Registry Reviver is there, test it now. If not, grab another application. Testing helps us eliminate common software conflicts. If you still cannot open your RRR file, that is okay. The nature of the RRR format makes basic errors common if one detail is missed. Let's verify these key points right now before proceeding to the fix. First, restoring in Registry Reviver. Open Registry Reviver and navigate to the Backup or Restore section. Select the RRR backup file from the list of available backups and choose Restore. Registry Reviver applies the backed up registry entries reverting any changes made during the corresponding cleaning operation to return the registry to its previous state. Next, manual registry restoration. If Registry Reviver is uninstalled but you need to use an RRR backup, reinstall Registry Reviver from reviversoft.com to access the restoration feature. Alternative registry cleaning tools cannot read the proprietary RRR format, requiring the original ReviverSoft software for legitimate access to the backup data. Finally, creating system restore points. For future protection, create Windows System Restore points before running registry cleaners. System Restore provides a vendor-neutral backup mechanism that works regardless of which registry cleaner created the changes. Access through Control Panel, then System Protection to configure and manually create restore points before risky operations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When our initial solutions didn't work, this means the file structure is unusually complex. Skip the frustration and move to File Magic, the universal viewer that consistently succeeds where basic apps stop. Check out filemagic.com to download now. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.